What happens when your crystals rub together or they're touching? Is it okay? Does it mess with the energy? What happens? Well, this bowl sits on my desk. I just recently added this cutie, which is an iridescent peach moonstone. I had these stacked up and I was running out of space to work. And all right, so how do I display these? How do I keep these together? Because energetically, these palm stones wanted to be with me. And I'll show you a big basket of my palm stones here in a moment. So if you're wondering if it's okay to stack, the answer is yes. Is it okay for them to touch each other? Yes, it is. Now that one isn't going to stack very well, but let's see what we can do. I'll take these out and show you. Okay, not that one. This one. For a while, I had these two stacked on my desk. This is tourmalinated with some beautiful gold or iron ore in it, and this is black tourmaline. So tourmalinated clear quartz or smoky quartz. This is pistachio calcite. And for a long time, a while, these were stacked on my desk. And then the stack got too big, or the number of stacks were too big, so I just put them in this bowl. And we have, okay, they all want to come out. This is ibis jasper, pistachio you've already met, green aventurine, excellent for health, wealth, and abundance, especially prosperity and abundance manifesting. This one is petrified wood. Oh my gosh. Grounding heavenly days. When you're having a day or a moment of, oh my goddess, or WTF, get yourself a petrified wood palm stone and just hold it for a few minutes in your left hand. It will help ground you just to settle your thoughts enough so that you can figure out what to do next, what to stop doing, what to start doing. This is pink mangano calcite. And this is dew motorite. It kind of reminds me of the Starry Night from Vincent van Gogh. That's why I like these. And then we have a big chunk of rose quartz. This is picture jasper, divination, grounding, manifestation, solar plexus, sacral, root, energy purification, carnelian, root, and sacral chakra for this one because of the different colors. Grounding, manifestation, artist stone, so creativity. And then this is dendritic tree agate. Fabulous, oh my gosh, for transitioning, transformation, transcendence. I will often put palm stones underneath my pillow at night. Now I'll rearrange these when we're done here. This is just a simple bowl that I got at a dollar store. And all of these, well, not these three, okay, but all of these fit in that bowl and they are perfectly happy. A few years ago, I think it was 2000, maybe 18, that I discovered palm stones, and my collection has grown quite a bit. Another dendritic tree agate. In one of the previous videos, I talked about having more than one of a kind, and I actually have 3 dendritic tree agates. And look at how different they are. Do you have to have more than one? No, it's more about what calls to you, what resonates with you. And it's just like maybe your favorite ice cream or your coffee. You don't always want the same flavored cream or the same flavor of brewed coffee or even cold brewed coffee. So having the same kind, each one of these has a different vibe. And so depending upon what your vibe is, where your energy is, where your thoughts are, one of these will work better for you. Grounding, manifestation, well, every time you are in alignment, you are more open to receiving what you've asked for, what you set your intention for. Okay, so we have Dragonstone Septarian. Some people call this rose calcite or cherry calcite. Here is black moonstone. This is rainbow moonstone. Not always easy. Now that's a reflection off of the window. That's not the real. Oh, we can't find it right now. Okay, pyrite. Now this is smoky quartz. We've got pyrite. I have slivers all in the bottom of selenite to help keep all the energies high and clear. This is orca agate. This is indigo gabbro, also known as mystic merlinite. Fabulous for raising your energetic immune system, boosting it, dissolving fear and doubt. Let's see, what else do we have in here? Blue calcite, and you don't have to keep them in a certain order, which is nice. Black opal, that's the moonstone. Green opal, health, health, heart health in the sense of your heart energy, your emotional heart center being in alignment with your prosperity and abundance vibe. I learned that through holding this green opal. I think it was this one, this green opal on a walk. And I often wondered how it was that green opal helped to boost your abundance and prosperity vibe. And it is through the alignment, calming your heart down, soothing the emotions, feeling content where you are while you are on your way to where you're going. Sorry, the focus is in and out. All right. Labradorite, unlimited potential. Look at that beauty. What else do we have? Camerite, really hard to find. I have not liked any of the recent ones I've seen. This is lepidolite. Cappuccino. Nope, this is polychrome. Because here's the cappuccino calling to me. This is cappuccino. And we've got some amazonite, ruby zoisite, and anyway. So you can see, and I hope you now feel more comfortable about your crystals touching. Can it be something other than palm stones? Absolutely. And we will talk about crystal feng shui, I think, here and very soon. All right, beautiful soul. Please like this. If you have any questions about shapes, combining and touching each other, please pop that in the comments. Tell your friends about this channel and these videos. We'd love to have you join us, so hit the subscribe button and have an amazing day, beautiful soul.